dear marks. This is 9th class mathematics. It's very important identities already. You have known, I think. We repeated so many times in educated topics in our school level. So every year, yearly, thrice or 5 times, 6 times we revise all these. I think you are all ready to tell these identities. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, or that equal to a cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube also. We can write, if it is necessary, we can write any one of those two. And also children, a plus b plus the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. And we have some other also, I introduce later. So children, we can use reversely also. If a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to given, what is that? In the form a plus b whole square. Reversely, LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, we use a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square in the form. Or else a minus b whole square equal to RHS. So, element of use. So children, copy down all this. Find the following products using appropriate identities. Here x plus 5 into x plus 5. X plus 5 into x plus 5. X plus 5 into x plus 5. A plus b into a plus b. This is equal to x plus 5 whole square. X plus 5 whole square. This is equal to x plus 5 whole square, x square plus 2xy, 2 into x into 5 plus 5 square. This is equal to x square plus 2 5s are 10x plus 25. That's it. The identity a plus b whole square in the form of or y minus 1 into y minus 1. Y minus 1 into y minus 1. This is equal to, already it's also a minus b into a minus b. A minus b into a minus b. A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So, y minus 1 into y minus 1 equal to y minus 1 whole square. Y square minus 2y, y square minus 2y plus 1 square. This is equal to y square minus 2y plus 1. That's it. Factorize. Factorize this. Factorize the following. Factorize. So children, here 9x square minus 25. 9x square minus 25. Factorize. It is look like a square minus b square, but it is not completely. We write 3x whole square minus 5 square. 3x whole square minus 5 square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So 3x plus 5 into 3x minus 5. That's it. Factorize. Next. (25a square) (25a square plus 40ab plus 16b square). 5a whole square plus, we can write 5a whole square, and this is plus 4b whole square. 4b whole square. First write the first term and last term. 5a whole square plus 4b whole square. Now 2ab. This term is 2ab. 2 into a, 5a, into b, 4b. Now 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40. It is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b whole square. What is a? 5a. Total 5a is a. 5a plus total 5b, 4b, b, 4b whole square is equal to 5a plus 4b into 5a plus 4b. We write 2 times same. 5a plus 4b, 5a plus 4b. Copy down. (49x square minus 112xy plus 64y square). It is in the form of a minus b whole square, but not completely. We write complete form. 49 we write 7 square. So 7x whole square. 7x bracket whole square. Whole square means the square belongs to 7 and x. Next, plus 64. We can write 8 square plus y square. 8 square y square. 8y whole square. Now plus 2ab. 2 into a. 7x into b. 8y. Now product these 3. 7 8s are 56. 56 into 2. 112. So it is minus. Now it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a minus b whole square. What is a here? 7x minus 8y whole square. 7x minus 8y whole square. This equal to, we write 7x minus 8y again into 7x minus 8y. Okay children, have you understood? Next. Nine by 16 x square minus y square by 9. These are very interesting games. Are these very interesting? Yes, these are very interesting. Play games with identities, numbers, expressions, multiplication, division, use identities. So interesting games. Enjoy while you are playing games. 9 by 16 x square. It is in the form of a square minus b square, but not completely. We write now 9 by 16, 3 by 4 x whole square minus y square by 9, y by 3 whole square. This is equal to a square minus b square. 3 by 4 x, a plus b into a minus b, into 3 by 4 x minus y by 3. That's it. Next. X square plus 3x plus 2. X square plus 3x plus 2. This is, we cannot write in the form of a plus b whole square or else a minus b whole square. X square product 2x square, add 3x. 3x we can write 2x plus x. 3x, x square plus 2x plus x plus 2. Multiply 2x square. Take common x, x plus 2. Take common plus 1, x plus 2. X plus 2 into x plus 1. That's it. Copy down. So product of 5x minus y plus z into 5x minus y plus z. 5x minus y plus z, 5x minus y plus z. This equal to, we write 5x minus y plus z whole square. Same, 5x minus y plus z into 5x minus y plus z. So we write 5x minus y plus z whole square. This is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. Here a 5x, b minus y, c z, a square, 5x whole square plus b square minus 5 whole square plus z square plus into minus minus 2ab plus 2ab, 2 into 5x into y. Of course, otherwise write minus y plus 2 bc, 2 into minus y into z plus 2ca, 2 into ca, z into 5x. 5x whole square. It's very easy, interesting. 25x square plus into minus y whole square plus y square plus z square. Here plus into minus 2 5s are 10 xy plus into minus 2yz and 2ca 2x 2ca 2z z here 2 into c z 5x 2 into z 2 5s are 10 xz. That's it. Competent children, practice all this on your HW book and also write each identity 5 times which I have given. Okay, bye bye. Ready, just